Bro, some animals don't follow biology, they glitch reality. 1. The immortal jellyfish can literally reverse its age and start life over. Nature's restart button. 2. The axolotl can regrow limbs, organs, even parts of its brain. Actual regeneration mode. Number 3. The pistol shrimp snaps so fast, it creates a bubble hotter than the sun. Tiny shrimp, nuclear energy. The 4. The platypus? Venomous, egg-laying, and scientifically confusing. Evolution just freestyled this one. Animals aren't breaking rules, bro. They're rewriting them. For more insane animal facts, hit subscribe. Don't miss the next glitch.